Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Pelle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, one thing I like to do on this channel is pretend I know how to do the thing. So today, we're gonna attempt to make some cards. So I have this nifty little card creation kit that my mom got me, and I figured we'd test it out together. So this kit is a 36 count and comes with everything you need to make some cards. It has 6 Bic Intensity dual tip markers, 4 Bic Gelosity original gel pens, 2 Bic Intensity metallic permanent markers, 2 stencil, 2 color your own sticker sheets, 10 folded 6x4 cards, and 10 envelopes. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna open this card. I don't know why I'm making such a big deal out of opening a package. So here's the contents. They're actually neatly put together, which is surprising to be honest. As you can see, there's a bunch of little pens to decorate with, and I believe these are our cards and our little envelopes for our cards. I also suck at opening packaging, just a heads up. So we got gold and silver for permanent markers. We got some gel pens. Here's our cards and envelopes. The 2 stencils it came with for making the cards. And 2 sheets of stickers that we can color ourselves. And last but not least, the dual tip pens. These are really hard to open. Arlington, no. No. You're really cute, but also really chaotic.
Bitch, excuse me, I am adorable.
Markers. Some dual tip markers. Alright, so Delilah decided to join us. Arlington was not feeling having to sit still for a little bit, so our little baby's gonna be joining us. Delilah, you wanna make some cards? I think she's ready to make some cards. So, can't really see my desk, so I'm gonna switch to a camera angle where instead of seeing my face, you're gonna see what I'm doing down here. Also, I apologize for how atrocious my nails are. I'm trying to grow them out, but I also suck at painting my nails, so. So, I have all my card stuff laid out. Fair warning, this is my first time recording at this camera angle, so I can't promise that it'll be legible, but we're gonna figure it out together, right? Once again, I'm pretending I know how to do the things. I'm pretending I know how to be a YouTuber. You guys have fallen into my trap. I got a stack of cards, some envelopes. I'm gonna put those aside. You know what, let's start with decorating a card. So I'm gonna move everything aside real quick. Put all my pens a little bit over there. So with this first one, I'm actually gonna make a card for my mom, seeing how she bought me the kit. And she is always writing me cards, and every now and then I get around to writing back, but I'll be the first one to admit that every now and then I also forget to write back. So I'm gonna do this stencil here. It just says hello. I've also haven't used a stencil since I was very little, so let's hope I can do this. I'm gonna do pink. Well, we filled in our first stencil on a card. Let's see how it turned out. That actually came out really cute. Way better than I thought it would. I mean, the leaves are a little jank, but besides that, got some cute little details to make things look a little better. This came out really pretty, actually. I'm kind of surprised, like, did not expect this to come out nice at all. I mean, like, it's a stencil, so I don't know, I figured they all were gonna look like this leaf here and that one. Now to make some more cards, I guess. Put that one aside. Alright, so the butterfly came out a little more jank than expected. Oh, hi Delilah. You joining us for some card making? What are you doing with your little legs? It's a little jank. But for freestyling a little card, I think it came out cute. Once again, I'm just pretending I know how to do the thing, so as you can tell by that. And somehow I made a heart jank. But I still think people will appreciate it. It's a thought that counts, right? I say as I bump the camera. 2 down. Alright, now it's time to test out these stickers. Hi Jackson. Hi buddy. Why is your head wet? No. The camera is in a scratchy post. You guys really want to be on camera today. Alright, now it's time to color some of these stickers that came in the kit. So my camera stopped recording halfway through testing out the card kit. As you can tell, I wrote my mom a card testing out the gel pens, and I really like how they write. And honestly, for a beginner who's pretending she knows how to do the things, I think these came out pretty good. I would recommend this card kit to other people if they were looking for something to start off with. It looks like a 4-year-old made this one, but I think my mom will appreciate it, so time to switch to camera angle where you can see my face. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That little kitten you saw wandering around the set today, his name is Arlington. We got him back in October and he's so adorable, but also pure chaos. So there's probably gonna be a bloopers video I make eventually of just all the cats destroying things while I'm trying to record because I have plenty of footage of them doing that. Also, make sure to comment below any video suggestions of what you want to see. I'm always open to ideas. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with a friend you think also wants to make some cards. Or if you don't feel like making a card to send your friend, you can always just share this video with them. That's the same thing, right? Yeah, that's totally the same thing. Well, until next time, stay safe everyone. Bye!